everyone, I hope you're doing well. This is Mrs. Feller here to talk to you about creating a Venn diagram in Google Slides. This demo will be from a student's perspective. In this video, we will learn to use the Shape tool to create your circles or other shapes, resize our shapes to fit the screen, and fill and change the transparency of shapes to create a Venn diagram. Let's get going. First, I'm going to go up here to the top left to change the name of my presentation to Venn diagram. Your teacher may also want you to include your name in document titles. Next, I'm going to use the arrow tool to select the text boxes on the screen so I can start with a clean canvas. Venn diagrams are used for comparing and contrasting and are usually made with two overlapping circles. So let's use the Shape tool to select the oval and draw our shape. I'm not really sure how large this circle needs to be to start out, so I'm just going to try it out here. I can always make adjustments to it later. To help me see how the circles look when they overlap, I'm going to change the background to transparent and copy the circle. This red line in the middle helps me line up my circles. That's too much space for similarities. Let's make some adjustments and try again. I'm going to delete this circle and duplicate this one so they're both exactly the same size. That looks right. Now let's add some color. When I select a fill color, it fills my shape with a solid color. This doesn't allow me to see both circles at once because one circle is on top of the other. I would like for this area that overlaps to reflect the colors blending together, since it represents the similarities of my topics. After selecting my circle, I'll select Fill and then choose Custom. Here, I can change the hue or the transparency of my circle. Let's try that. Now it's time for the other circle. Fill, Custom, Transparency. That looks great! Think of all the different color combinations you could try. Use the text box tool to label your two circles. And continue using the text boxes to fill your Venn diagram with similarities and differences of your topics. Always check with your teacher the assignment instructions and the grading rubric so you include everything required for your assignment. Be sure to check out my other student tutorial videos about Google Classroom and Google Drive on my YouTube channel. And don't forget to like and subscribe so you don't miss out on any tips to help you succeed in your virtual classroom. Thanks again for watching. Stay well.